anyone here in the cemetery with us? Me? Who's me?
Are you sure the main, like, TVs or radios picking up?
No. Who's here with us? Who's here with us? Can you say Brian's name? Can you say my name? No. Did you hear that? Look. Tell us what's going on.
Look. Really pissed off.
You're really pissed off?
Did you hear that?
Did you hear that? Why are you pissing Nick off? Why are you doing this to Nick? Look. You're alive? That's why.
2005.
Those spots? Yep, that's what it said.
That's just scanning.
That's crazy. That's crazy. We heard your name in the hallway. Now they won't say it here.
Said it,
Did you hear that?
Yes.
It just said it just now. Did you hear that?
Uh-huh.
It was locked. What? Can you say one of our names?
I think we're so close to this road, we're not in the woods nowhere, and I think it's picking up the interference around this area.
Hello? Hello? Did you hear that? Can you hear us? No. Why not? I keep saying Dave. All right, say Dave or Tom. You hear that voice in the background, the little tiny one? Shouldn't be doing that. Why is it doing that? Now it's locked. Find a piece of aluminum foil, I can drown it out.
Is anybody unhappy that we're here? Who wants us to go? What is your name?
What is it? David?
David? Can you tell me why you want us to go? David, can you hear me?
Did you hear that say yep?
Show us a sign. Can you make movement in the cemetery?
Should move.
What do you say, leave? Stay or leave? Go. Go again.
You want us to stay or leave?
It sounds like I heard a lady say stay, and then this guy says go.
Yeah.
If it's not breaking up into...
Well, that's what it sounded like.
The lady that says stay, what is your name?
No more though. I'm gonna bring it lower. Okay, who's in the cemetery with us? What is your name? Okay, who's in the cemetery with us? What is your name?
Whose stone are we next to?
Hud?
Did you have a name?
Yeah, Mary Randall.
Mary, can you hear us? Miss Randall, can you hear us?
Is Mary Randall here? Hold on. Would you like to speak to us?
Hey, hey, hey. It's my cop right there. Is that a cop?
Don't matter if there is. It's not illegal. Would anyone like to speak to us at all? For our TV show? Tom, Dave. You hear that?
Music.
Hear how old it is?
50s or 60s.
From the 50s or 60s.
Yeah,
Sounds like Jerry Lee Lewis.
yeah. 740, yeah.
Why would that stop like that, though?
It's been, it's hard to tell. I mean,
On this kind of music? That's freaky, huh?
it's freaky. Who's playing this song for us? Can you speak?
Probably has something to do with Mary, believe it or not.
Let me see her date address.
Probably died in the
Let's
50s.
do it.
Well, she was in the 50s a kid. She probably died.
She died
In the 80s.
She died August. Oh. Wow, 1799. She died August 18th, 1799. Is that a 17? 1799. Oh my God, this is old.
Yeah, it is. Yes, I'm here. What's your name?
She was 84 when she died.
What is your name? Nick. Okay. Could you make something happen in the cemetery? Give us some type of sign or something?
That reminded me almost something like the movie Christine.
Didn't it?
With the car, you're playing in the 50s and 60s, yeah?
Yeah. That's exactly what it reminded me of.
But then
hell?
again,
Hello? Is there anyone here with us? Boo. Would you like us to leave? Leave, except what? How you doing? You can hear me? Nah. Do you hear that? Hear that little kid? Said Nick.
yes.
Okay, can we speak to Mary? Mary Randall? Boo. Mary Randall here? You shouldn't be stopping, it never stops. Okay, how many fingers do I have up? How many fingers? 3. Did you hear that? You heard it.
Yeah.
It said it very faint, but
Yeah,
it said
I
it.
heard 3. Hold on. That's
How many fingers do I have up? 4.
yeah. You had 5 up.
No, this is a thumb.
Yeah, that's a big speaker.
It's a thumb, man. You know what I'm saying? It's not a finger. Would you like to say something to us before we leave? Thanks. You're welcome.
Well, we appreciate your company, and I hope we can come back again and talk to you further.
And I'm Tom D. And he's.
And I'm Sly Bry.
And this is.
Lex.
Okay. That's a
We're going to the
closeout.
front.
Okay, I'm Tom from Ghost Quest, and we have a guest here today, which is Sly Brian,
How you doing?
and he's going to accompany us on a quest involving the Warwick Cemetery, and with my son Lex. Say hello to the camera, Lex.
Hello.
Okay. He looks thrilled. Okay, let's get this on the road here. Okay. You want to start off asking some questions, or?
I need this help.
Better ways to fight flares over time by reducing the high uric acid that causes them. Because even though flare sounds funny, it is silly to put up with more of them than you have to. Gov.com, now updated with more information.
Okay.
How do I do this?
Is there anyone here with us today? Is there anyone in the cemetery who'd like to speak to us? 6? Yep. Did you hear her say yep? Okay, who'd like to speak to us?
Gotta hear the girl say me.
Yeah.
Me who?
Dead. Did you hear it say dead?
Me who?
The scripture.
The scripture.
I might be picking up some religious channel.
Did you hear that? No.
Is there anyone here with us? Oh wow, did you hear that?
What is that?
Whoa. It was freaky, I know that. Doug. You here with us, Doug? Tom? What? Who's here with us? Us? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Who's us? Who?
I heard something.
Isaac and the God.
Hello. Dad,
What?
look. There's something over there. I just heard something over there. This is. It was over there.
Hold on a second, Lex. We're gonna shut the ghost box off for a second.
You want to walk down a little further?
Oh my God, that was creepy. I almost crapped my pants.